Hey guys, Mama's going out tonight, so I wanted to do a little video on how I was gonna wear my hair tonight. So I'm gonna be using the Kevin Murphy Bedroom Hair and the Kevin Murphy Session Spray hairspray. So I love the fact that the claw clips are coming back in style, the ones from the 90s that we used to just like throw your hair up. And you know, it was just easy. So that's coming back. So I'm gonna do my hair like that tonight, especially with this higher neck. Now I only have half of one. We're gonna pretend it's a full one. But because of this, I am gonna add in a little ponytail before I use it. So first I'm gonna start, I want texture. So I'm actually gonna use the bedroom hair instead of the do-over today for the texture, because this is a little stronger. Gives it more of a grip. You can feel this product a lot more than the do-over. And I'm gonna spray this all over because I do want texture. And this is hair from yesterday. I curled it. Okay, so now we're gonna go in the middle of my head. I'm just gonna put a little ponytail. Okay, so then I do want some volume up here. I'm gonna pull where I wanna see the volume. Okay, get my clip, so I'm gonna twist and pull up. Okay, now I'm gonna go in. I do want it a little higher, so I'm gonna adjust. So I'm just gonna pull at it until it's where I want it to be, because I kind of want to see it up at the top. And then I want to have those pieces down. Okay, and then to dress it up a little, I'm gonna pull my front pieces out. And then take your fingers, and I want you to just roughly go all around your hairline. It's gonna pull out any of the baby hairs that you have. Baby hairs look amazing with hairstyle just because it softens everything. It's still kind of curled from yesterday. So if it needed to be re-curled, I would take the bangs, start at eye level, put a little curl in it, leave the bottom part out. Same for this side. So over direct it in front of your eyes, kind of towards your nose. Put it eye level. We're gonna go in about one time, leaving the ends out and then release. Love it. Love it, love it. Okay, so now I'm gonna spray. Using the Session Spray, this is the stronger Kevin Murphy hairspray. It's amazing, has a humidity shield in it, so it's just awesome for, you know, especially in the South. So I'm spraying on top, and then I'm gonna lean over, and I'm also gonna spray underneath, and that's gonna seal it on the top and the bottom and make it stronger. Okay, so how quick was that? And I still look dressy, but I used a little clip. I love it. So if you get the longer ones, you probably won't need the ponytail, but I'm just doing it because, and I have my extensions in, so it's a little heavier. It'll just hold it up better with the pony. And then be sure to always have a little baby travel. I put this in my purse anywhere I go, because I definitely, anytime I go to the bathroom, if my bangs don't look like this, I'll respray them. So get a little travel to always have with you, and it's just so easy, you know, because over time, if it softens up, you kind of lose that frame. So it's just easy to have in your purse, okay? I hope y'all like it. Quick, dress up your hair, easy. All right, y'all have a good one.